Clove oil can be easily prepared as per the directions along with other herbs, and it is an effective remedy for reducing the acute tooth pain. Now we have a preparation called clove oil which can be used for the toothache. The ingredients required are clove, 5 pieces we require, pepper, little we require, then garlic and gingery oil. A frying pan can be placed on the stove with a slow flame. 50 ml of oil can be poured into that. It will be approximately 5 tablespoons.
ml of gingery oil.
Yeah. Once oil is hot, you can put 5 pieces of clove into it.
So we have 5 pieces of clove. So we get these 5 pieces of clove in the oil.
3 pieces of pepper,
just 3 small pieces of pepper,
once it is well fried,
so we need to stir this.
One piece of garlic also can be put in it.
A piece of
Garlic,
maybe crushed a bit. That was the clove that will sprout out, so everybody needs to be careful. When the clove is ready, this way, it just pops up.
you can fry the garlic until it becomes golden brown.
So clove would be the main ingredient in this, or
Yes,
the garlic will be the main ingredient?
Clove will be the main ingredient, which has got a major action in reducing this toothache.
So how does one use this oil?
Now, once this oil is ready, it can be soaked with a cotton piece, and you can keep the cotton piece in the tooth where there is pain.
And how long do we do this? How do we know the oil is ready?
And once the garlic is golden brown, you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. You can filter and keep that oil ready for use.
And how long the oil can be preserved?
It can be used for 5 to 6 months time.
And how frequently the person needs to use the oil?
Depending upon the toothache, you can use it 2-3 times a day. Within 1 or 2 days time, the pain should be completely relieved.
For how long does the cotton swab needs to be placed in the pain?
Cotton swab, you can keep it for 3 to 5 minutes time, and then you can spit it out.
So is this the golden brown where we can stop
Yes,
the
now
garlic
it is
turning?
golden brown. You can switch off the flame. Now the oil is ready for use. You can filter it and keep it in a bottle.
How long we can preserve this oil?
Oil can be kept for 5-6 months time.
And how often does the patient use this oil?
Depending upon the toothache, you can use 2-3 times a day.
How do we use this?
You can soak a piece of cotton in the oil and keep that cotton piece on the tooth where there is pain.
So like we've got these cotton buds?
Yes.
And we can directly dip it?
Yeah.
The oil should be warm or it should be used after it cools?
Yeah, anytime you can use it in cold form also. Soaked cotton buds are kept on the tooth.
And how long does the action, it takes a time to
I think
show
2-3 minutes time you can keep it and then spit out.
We just separate this oil from those 5 pieces of clove and 3 pepper we have put in the garlic piece. Filtering is pretty easy, not a major task. You can see the change of color in the oil. And it has an aroma, a mixed aroma of all the spices in. Actually have a small cotton bud made, dip it in the oil, and it's ready for use.